The global manufacturing sector is finally making a comeback, folks. After years of supply chain disruptions, lockdowns, and the chaos that felt like a bad sci-fi movie, the industry is showing signs of life. But what does this recovery mean for the global economy, and why should you care? Let's break it down, without making it feel like an economics lecture that puts you to sleep. Manufacturing is like the heart of the global economy. When it's healthy, the whole system works. When it's struggling, well, it's like trying to run a marathon with a sprained ankle. Painful and inefficient. The recovery we're seeing is a big deal, and not just for those big factories with conveyor belts and robots that look like they're auditioning for the Terminator. After the pandemic disrupted everything, from car production to microchips, the world realized just how interconnected we are. Suddenly, it wasn't just about whether your local coffee shop had oat milk. It was about whether global factories could keep producing the goods we rely on. The recovery in manufacturing is putting those supply chains back on track, but it's not happening overnight. Let's start with the good news. Production is increasing. In major hubs like China, Germany, and the United States, factories are humming again. Machinery is moving, workers are back, and businesses are optimistic. Some analysts are even calling this a renaissance for global manufacturing. If this is a renaissance, Leonardo da Vinci might be jealous. Now, here's a twist. Automation and AI are playing a massive role in this recovery. Robots don't call in sick, and algorithms don't need coffee breaks. Though, honestly, they'd probably deserve one. This means production is more efficient than ever before. On the flip side, it raises questions about jobs. Will humans still have a role, or are we all destined to work alongside robots with better work ethics? As manufacturing picks up, it's not just factories benefiting. The ripple effects are massive. Countries dependent on exports are seeing their economies stabilize, currencies strengthen, and governments breathe a sigh of relief. For example, countries like South Korea and Japan, which rely heavily on tech and automotive manufacturing, are getting their groove back. Then there's the elephant in the room, geopolitics. With trade tensions, tariffs, and sanctions still lurking in the background, manufacturers have to navigate a global chessboard. It's like playing Monopoly, but every time you pass Go, someone changes the rules. The Russia-Ukraine conflict, for example, has impacted energy prices, making it more expensive for manufacturers to operate. One thing that's driving the recovery is innovation. We're seeing the rise of new manufacturing hubs in Southeast Asia, Africa, and even South America. These regions are stepping up, offering cheaper labor and resources while adopting advanced technologies. The result? A shift in the global manufacturing map that could redefine trade dynamics. But how does all this affect you? Simple. A healthier manufacturing sector means more jobs, stable prices, and better access to products. Remember when buying a new phone felt like entering a bidding war? That's changing. With manufacturing back on track, the availability of goods is increasing and prices are starting to stabilize. For businesses, this recovery offers opportunities to grow and expand. It's a chance to explore new markets, invest in automation, and build resilience against future disruptions. And for consumers, well, let's just say you might not have to wait 6 months for that car you ordered anymore. Now, let's sprinkle in some humor because, honestly, who said economics can't be fun? The global manufacturing recovery is like getting your favorite restaurant's full menu back after they were only serving a limited pandemic menu. Sure, the fries were great, but now we get the burger, the milkshake, and maybe even dessert. And let's not forget those robots. Imagine telling your grandparents that robots are helping save the global economy. They'd probably picture RoboCop, but hey, as long as it works, right? As we wrap up, it's clear the manufacturing recovery is a beacon of hope for the global economy. It's a sign that, despite all the challenges, resilience and innovation can drive progress. Sure, there are obstacles, but what's an epic comeback without a few plot twists? Outro. Thanks for tuning in to explore the global manufacturing recovery with me. Whether you're a business owner, a curious consumer, or just here for the economic jokes, I hope you learned something new today. If you enjoyed this deep dive, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into the world's most fascinating trends.